How would you all like to learn a more efficient way of doing shopping lists? Let's use this example. Most of us make lists like this. So milk, butter, lubricating stuff, and let's see, ant spray. Okay, now we got a list. Then we tear this off, take it with us, go shopping, throw it away. All this has been wasted. Here's another idea. Start at the bottom. So, milk, butter, eggs, new cat. We need another cat. How's that? Okay. So now that we have our list, you can take your phone and take a picture of it. There you go. Now, you can just cross off your list and keep working your way up. Then you get to use the rest of the paper. More efficient. I have another idea for you if you don't want to take a picture with your phone. Maybe you don't have a camera on your phone because you use a flip phone. So, how about this? Let's start with a new sheet. So, start at the bottom again. Milk, eggs, paper. We need some paper for the copier. How about that? And a new dog. We would never get a new dog. We love our dog too much. How about some bug spray? Okay. Now, you can take this and just cut it off and take it with you. I like this approach myself. So, do that, score it, take it off. Now you have more paper to use, and you can take your list with you. If you happen to like paper, here you go. 2 simple ways to save some paper. What do you think?